guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in to yet again another video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell at the bottom so you can get first-hand notifications of when I upload videos. So yeah, today is not going to be an ordinary vlog. I am going to film a makeup video tutorial, kind of, sort of. I haven't really done one of these videos in, I know, at least a year and a half, 2 years. So we're gonna see what we can do. It is, what time is it? It is 1:15 in the afternoon. I am up, about to get dressed to start my day. I know I do have a late start to my day, but nevertheless, we're gonna get the day started. I don't know where I want to go today. I need to eat something. I have not ate yet. I wanted brunch food. The brunch spot that I wanted to go to is about to close. There's that. So yeah, we're just gonna get ready. Let's go ahead and just hop right into the video. I'm gonna try to make this a vlog. Get ready with me. So y'all just stick around. Okay, so y'all, hold on. I don't know where to start. All right, y'all. This is not my closet. However, that's beside the point. I don't know what to wear. I don't have anything to wear. Out of all the clothes in my closet, nothing really interests me right now. I don't like that. Cause, what time is it? It is I can't use my watch because I'm using my watch to start my camera. Pause right there. It is 3:10. You know what? We're gonna throw in the best things possible. Hey y'all, so I'm finally out of the house. I'm probably just gonna get me something quick to eat because I don't know if I really want to go out to eat tonight. I don't know. I might get some Chinese food from this place that I tried the other day. So I might just get something quick and then just, you know, go sit down somewhere and eat my food. Probably go get my food and just sit out at the Renaissance Mall. So yeah, just something chill. I don't feel like doing a lot today. I just want to get out the house.
Eventually.
Okay, y'all. So I am headed to find me something. Well, first of all, good evening. It is 2 days after y'all last saw me, I think. A day. I saw me yesterday. I was going to get something to eat. However, my plans changed, and I ended up going to the state fair with my goddaughter and with my sister and everybody. So that's what I did. That's why y'all didn't get a chance to see me, because everything changed so fast. So I am off work. I am getting ready to go to Walmart and find me something to eat. I want to go sit somewhere and eat my food instead of coming back home. However, it looks like it's gonna rain, so we're gonna see about all that once I leave Walmart and I get my food. So I made it to Walmart. I'm about to go in. I only need 3 items out of this store. Lord, please don't let me come out with $500 worth. Amen. So y'all, look at the Halloween stuff. Like, I need to figure out what I'm gonna be this year, because I am definitely ready to go trick-or-treating. I ain't gonna lie, these sweaters from Walmart kind of fire. Y'all, so I'm trying to find a candle. I love candles. If you know me, you know I love candles. And I don't know which one I really want. I want to try a new fragrance, but I've had almost everything over here. Like, I've had this one. And I want something that's like warm and fall. So we'll come back to that. I'm trying to find a mirror. I like these though. Don't look at my head, but I like these mirrors. And I want a full body mirror for my room. This is cute. I like this mirror. I think I may come back and get this one Friday because I need a full body mirror for my room. I have one, but it broke. Now, who done bought up all the good snacks? You know, I just don't like this. Every time I come in here, it ain't no good snacks. I don't understand. Oh, my bad. So yeah, I use these soaps to clean like my makeup brushes and sponges and my mask. I've had the pink one before, but I kind of want to get the white. Let's get the white. Damn, I still hit the buggy. Okay, yeah, let's go. Yeah, this the best cereal out there. Memo, then less, that's it. Best cereal. So I'm back in the car. I did good. I only spent $9.54, which is pretty good for me. Because when I go in Walmart, that's all I'm gonna say about that. So now we gotta go get something to eat. Now another thing is this. I need to get gas. And I don't feel like getting out right now. I need a man, okay? I need a man. Jesus, Lord, I seen what you've done for others. I need a man. I hate getting gas. I hate stopping for gas. I hate pumping gas. Because every time I get out the gas station, it be an old creepy dude talking about some...
Excuse me. Can I please bite a chunk out of that ass?
Sir! I'm old enough to be your daughter. Your granddaughter. Leave me alone. I just get gas in the morning. I got that bad. They get gas in the morning. That's a sickness. We gonna think about it. After I get my food, I know if I'm gonna stop for gas tonight. Okay, y'all, so I should chicken and broccoli white rice. And then I got some extra brown sauce, like what this is cooked in. And then I got some plain fried rice. Gonna add a little more sauce. Ooh, it's gonna be so good. I'm kind of trying to find some fall clothes. I did see like this cute sweater on Boohoo that I hope is still there Friday, so I can get it. So let's kind of search for some clothes. Also, listen, I want a Telfar purse so bad. Like, every time I go on the site, they're sold out. And I didn't even get a chance to participate in a little special that they just had where you can order any bag you want and it'll ship by March 2022. I didn't get a chance to do that. And my feelings are hurt. My feelings are really hurt. Cause I really want to tell her bag. And every time I go out, they be sold out. Alright, so let's see what we can find. So first, I'm going to Pretty Little Thing. Not Pretty Little Thing. I'm going on Fashion Nova because I'm very happy that Fashion Nova uses Afterpay now. Like, y'all don't understand. I'm just waiting to do an order. Ooh, and they had buy one, get one free jeans. Ends in 3 hours and 3 minutes. Ma'am. It ain't payday yet. Why? See, this is what I be talking about. So I'm getting ready to take it into bed because it is getting late. It is 10:58 and I still have to get up in the morning and I still have to edit this video to try to post it for tomorrow. Well, technically it'll be today if you're watching it. So, but first, normally before I go to bed, and sometimes when I have downtime throughout the day, I do an exercise in this book that I got. I actually got this book from Five Below. It's a nice little, it's called Note to Self. And it's like a nice little self-care book. You can fill out, it has like different exercises in it that you can kind of go through and, you know, just journal like your healing process or just your thoughts and your feelings at that time. I personally love this exercise. It has like the little symbols, and then each day of the week you just write what you're feeling. Let me try to find an exercise or a reading out of here and read to y'all. This quote in the book, it says, the most common way people give up their power is by thinking they don't have any, and it's by Alice Walker. So all throughout this book, it has like different quotes that's kind of like motivational to you. And it also, like I say, the exercises in here are really, really fun. And I think this book only cost me like $5 at Five Below. And they have like a lot of different self-care books, and I have some other ones. Let me know if y'all want to see a video on all my self-care books that I have, and I'll try to round them all up and do a video on them. It's a good one. I haven't completed it yet, but it says, ask your body, and it says, does my body want to don't look at my nose. Does my body want to retreat to the couch, or is that what my mind wants to do? If I listen to what my body is trying to tell me, since my mind is normally the one calling the shots, is it asking for a gentle stretch or a walk outside? After sitting inside on an office chair for most of the day, what kind of movement is my body really craving? So basically what this passage is like, just give your body what your body may be asking for and stop thinking so hard about it. That's what I got out of that. So it's a really nice book. Like I say, the exercises are really fun. You don't have to think too much into it. In the back, it says, take a moment to get it out of your head and onto the paper. And that has really helped me healing with different things that I've been through, is like writing it down and journaling. So that's really helpful. So again, if y'all want to see me do a video on all the self-care books that I have, or if you want to see me go find and look for more self-care books at Five Below or anywhere, go ahead and comment below. Comment self-care with a heart, or just comment self-care at all. Be sure to like this video, also subscribe to my channel, and I will get that video posted if you all want to see that. So I thank y'all for tuning in yet again. Please follow me on all social media. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell at the bottom so you can get first-hand notifications when I upload videos and vlogs, which will be weekly. I'm not sure what day because life gets crazy, but it will be a weekly vlog posted, or a weekly video. Something will be posted weekly. So stick around and see the content that I have in store for you guys. I appreciate it, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.